Welcome to Super Science with Tina, and today, Cody as well. This virtual enrichment is brought to you by Center for Success, and we're so happy you joined us today. We're going to be doing science demos and fun things with science that you could possibly try at home, especially if you have a pet. It works for dogs or cats. And what we're going to be doing today is finding out the answer to, are dogs right or left-handed, or both, like us? Let's find out. Every time we do an experiment, we're going to start off with our scientific method. This is very important. Every experiment should start off with this. So there are steps and procedures to science experiments. The first one is ask a question. Our question is, are our pets right or left-pawed, like we're right or left-handed, or both? 2 is form a hypothesis or an educated guess. And I think our pets are left or right-handed or pawed, like us. 3 is gather your materials. And we have Cody Fielding Perkins right here. And then we need a toy with opening to hide treats. And of course you need the treats to put in them. I'll show you that in a second. Then we'll conduct our experiment. That's number 4 on our list. So we have ask a question, form a hypothesis or an educated guess, gather needed materials. 4 is conduct the actual experiment. And my procedure to do this will be to give space between Cody and the ball with the treats. If you don't have a ball, you can use your hands. You could do a closed hand and put the treat inside there, and they'll paw at it to open it, and you'll write down what paw they use. Collect the data and write down your observations, which you will see as we go along, like tally marks, like how many times did he use his right paw, his left paw, both. You will write a tally mark for each time. 6 is analyze or look over your data. So that's when you look and see, how many times did he pick his right? How many times did he choose his left? How many times did he use both? Then you report or share out. That's the best part, right? So we're going to go ahead and get started. Here's a look one more time at our methods, and we will do this every time, so you'll get pretty familiar with it. So let's get our materials and get started. So as you can see, we have a ball with openings. I actually have 2, just because sometimes one doesn't work. Then there's also treats, and you can see Cody's ready to get started. So let's see what happens. Put the treats inside, or put it in your palm of your hand, and see if your pet uses their right or left. And you're going to want to put it down low, because they're going to use their nose a lot, because that's how dogs discover their world, is through smell. To help things along, if they're moving it around with their nose or their mouth a lot, you can put it in a precarious situation where they have to get it out of a corner and they have to reach for it. So I'm going to push underneath the counter so that he has to reach. I'm going to grab the camera and bring it closer so you can see what he's doing. not. Okay, can you show us how you use your paw to get it? Possibly. Here. There he goes. Right paw. Used his right paw to reach. So we would note that. Oh, right paw. To bat at it. You need some help? We can help you. Get it a little closer. Here. That time he used his mouth again. Now I did do this experiment with Cody several times before we went and did it live. And he did only use his left hand one time. All the rest of the times, Cody used his right hand. He did not use his both of his hands, or both of his paws, I'm sorry, on any of them. So he's definitely not ambilateral, which is what they call when dogs use both paws. So I hope that helped a little bit. You can also look and see what paw they put out first when they move towards you. However, I hope you did see the little areas where he was digging or trying to get things out with his paw. And we will try one more time, and then we're going to record our data together. Thanks, Cody. You're doing a great job. Can you get that? Can you get that out? Here, it's under here. He's reaching with his right paw again. Okay. So, we're coming over to our data. And I'm writing down my tally marks. Right, and then, like I said before, he consistently showed right, but one time he showed left. So I'm going to put